Hey everyone, it's Mark, Skipper Mark. We're in Connecticut and we've been under stay-at-home orders for 21 days. A few days ago, the governor announced that he's going to extend that order for an additional 38 days. Back in February, Matt bought this Chevy K10 Pickup. It's a 1984. He's always wanted a pickup. He saw it on Facebook and we decided to take a look at it. The body and frame are in perfect condition and the interior is mostly brand new. The guy that was selling it had started to restore it and then decided to sell it. So Matt thought about it for a little while and then ended up buying it. I was going to have him show you the vehicle, but he's in the back in the garage doing something with his tires or bearings. So today it's going to be Nancy and I that show you this. I started to make a video about it back in February, but unfortunately I got interrupted a couple times when starting.
Are you taking a video?
Like right here?
I'm in, seriously? Hey everyone, it's, seriously? And I never really got going. Plus I didn't have that much footage. So today we're just gonna give you a quick tour. I hope everyone is doing really well and okay during this difficult time. Hope everybody's being safe. And I just want to thank you for taking a few minutes to watch this video. Thanks again. So the interior is in really great shape. I'm not sure exactly what's new and what's not, but either way, it's super clean. This aluminum trim piece here looks brand new, as does the door panel itself. If not, again, it's really clean. The dash is painted red, which is how it is from the factory, and that is in really nice shape. The trim around the gauges is clearly not new, that's original. One interesting thing is, if you notice, it's got an automatic shifter. An automatic shifter and a small brake pedal. So after Matt checked it out, it turns out that the original vehicle was a manual transmission and it was converted to automatic later on. The seats here are a bucket bench combo and they are brand new, as is the carpet on the floor and the headliner up top here. One thing I've always liked about old pickups is the sliding back window. I'm not sure if it's new, but one thing that's in perfect shape is the back bumper. There's absolutely no rust on it. Overall, the body's in great shape. There is a little rust in the grill area, but nothing that's too difficult to fix. Originally, the truck had 2 gas tanks, but the passenger side one was removed and it was replaced with a different bed that only has 1 fill cap on the driver's side. So the engine that's in this is a 350 Chevy. I was gonna say it's pretty clean, but what's interesting is the huge amount of space you have in the engine bay. So Matt said the truck is really in good shape. There is just one issue that has to be fixed. The brake booster is a little leaky down here on the bottom, and so he's got to replace that, but he said that's a relatively quick and easy change. What's that thing in front of the door handle, Matt?
I think it's air conditioning.
This is olden day air conditioning. Crank windows.
I'm not sure what Matt plans to do with the truck, but he did mention something about a possible 4-inch lift and bigger tires. But whatever he does, we'll record it and post it so everyone can see. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I really hope everyone stays safe and is okay during this difficult time. Thank you so much and have a great day. Happy Easter.